So I was sent this 3/8 drive impact socket set. This is a great 48-piece standard SAE 5/16 to 3/4 of an inch and metric 8mm to 22mm. A 3-inch and a 6-inch drive extension bar are included with stop balls. You also have two convenient 3/8 impact universal joints and one 3/8 360 maneuverable universal joint, which makes getting into those tight spaces super easy. So this socket set has a black phosphate finish, which makes it durable and prevents rust. With a radius corner design, it increases torque and reduces wear. You get two different lengths, a 3 and a 6-inch for reaching those hard to reach places. Now you also have the 3/8 impact universal joint and a 1/2 inch to 3/8 adapter. The universal joint, as I said, can be adjusted 360 degrees. The carrying case is very sturdy. It can stand on its own as its own toolbox. No need to remove the tools. You can just keep them all secured in their spot and makes them easy to find. The sizes and sockets are easily viewable. You can easily read the size with the clear visible writing, and it's also etched in. So impact sockets are made to go with impact guns. This means these are super strong. They're drop forged and heat treated. They have the black phosphate finish, providing ultra high hardiness and durability and corrosion resistance. So these are made to get the job done for the heavier duty jobs, and this is made by AMM Tools that's been established in the business since 1980. They specialize in the production of various tool kits, and this one is high quality and something that they can be very proud of.